So, a battery cast. So this is an unintentional part 2. Wanted to do it all in one take, but be that as it may. Anyway, I was going to show you this custom I got off eBay. He calls it extra powers instead of super powers. Catwoman, cat of nine tails. Custom figure, and he actually made a cat of nine tails whip on there. You can see that. There's a little, anyway, that's an old school style like this one here with the cat of nine tails. I got some artwork here. Jim Ballant, the purple and black costume. And you notice the cat of nine tails, kind of a callback. Dick Giordano did the coloring in that one. So the animated. There she has her whip. Speaking of anime, here's an anime one with a whip. This one here, old school style, although it's kind of an odd thing because her cape, I think, is way too short. But the lamest whip as standard equipment coming with the statue. You notice I would never do this. This is embarrassing. It's lame. It's wimpy. A wimpy wimp. A wimpy whip. Loser. Okay. Here's a custom with a custom whip. So Arkham style, rolled up one. Just like a bolo thing too. And then another similar Arkham. There's a ornament whip. Another whip. There's a hush with a whip. These two are customs. This one's cool because she's got it wrapped around. Let's see if we can get closer. See how it's wrapped around that light? She's jumping out with having robbed the bank, the vault. Yeah, so some of the modern ones show her with the whip. So I was going to show you that odd in-package one. So that's that weird whip that looks like half of a whip with super long extensions, like 3 whips connected to half a whip with no grip. I don't know what they were thinking there. By the way, the color on this one is very odd. And then the modern one. Now that's actually a pretty cool whip there. The detail. It's hard to look at things in clamshells with the reflection. What else do we have? Oh, how about a full-size whip? So artwork. Here's a whip. It's a famous Dave Stevens art piece. Whip. Her daughter made me this for Christmas one year. Notice she's got the whip. There's another piece of artwork. Doesn't have the whip there. Unlike that one. So Michelle Pfeiffer was awesome with the whip. Halle Berry wasn't bad either. She spent a lot of time learning her stuff. Anne Hathaway was awesome. Yeah. So, and here's a paper whip. Oh, here's a cool T-shirt with her dynamic whip. Notice how big the grip is on that one. It's a Jim Ballant style. That might even be his artwork. Oop. There you go. Catwoman animated. Almost got him. Yeah. So that's about it for Catwoman and her whips. A lot of these came with whips, I just don't have them. And a lot of stuff got moved around when the flood came, and I can't remember which whip goes to which figure. There's one with the whip. Anime style. So, this is also Great White Customs. Ricky Ross did these, and he is awesome. Like I said, he did that Thorn figure for me, and the Catwoman in the champagne glass with the milk. That's the museum, Catwoman Rob. I used to be on my DTOF, but the flood made me move it. Alfred fixing up a very wounded Bruce. Little bonus. So, welcome to Gotham City. Now go home. I'm done.